Leaders are put on this earth to help the people around them succeed. It's not about us succeeding. When we serve others and help them be successful, their success ensures our success. Your role is to find the potential in those people that you lead and then help them get there.
The organization that comes in and says, my people need to be better, and they skip the part where we as leaders need to be better, they're the ones that struggle.
If I feel that way about you, I will always be accountable. I will always keep my commitments. I'm always going to be there. I have your back.
26 years ago, I started working with organizations. The goal was to help them be better, help people be better, help companies thrive. And it took 10 years before I really realized that the very core of that was accountability.
Accountability is keeping your commitments to people. There's a difference between responsibility and accountability. You're responsible for things, you're accountable to people. And if people are involved, what else do you think might be involved? Relationships. And the relational side of the business is attached to what it is that you value as an organization. Your values are not tactics.
When you value all people, that's when you start to have a high-performance team. Because what happens is you value people for what they bring to the table. You value them for their strengths. You're not looking and judging them for their weaknesses. Our greatest success always comes from leveraging our strength, not from patching a weakness. But the key is to understand that accountability flows from the leader to the people, and then it flows back. And when you do that in an organization, you create an organization that doesn't just generate profits. They generate significance. They lead their industry. They perform at a totally different level than ever imagined. And that all flows through to the bottom line.
And when everyone knows what those values are and you're making decisions on those values and you're modeling the values and you're teaching them and you're coaching to them, you're hiring from them, and yes, you are firing to them. And your associates all know what those values are. That's powerful.
Organizations where accountability thrives believe that everything they achieve through their people. They see people differently. And when they see people differently, they act differently. They create an environment that inspires their people. Engagement goes through the roof, and so does profitability.
The transactional side of your business will never improve the relational side of your business, but the relational side of your business will drive the transactional side of your business. Your people will love to be part of that environment because they'll know what's expected, they'll know what they need to do, and they will deliver for you because at that point in time from your environment, you've created a place where everyone will want to be accountable.